So today is my friend's birthday and I called her on video call and she kept on screaming like, geez, why is your face glowing? Why is your face glowing? And I'm like, chill, how is my face glowing? Hello, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. My name is Uche. I'm a professional makeup artist here in Abuja, Nigeria, and I'm also a health, beauty and hair enthusiast. So today we're going to be talking about the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution that everybody has been talking about. This thing is all over the internet. So I saw it and I decided to try it. I'm going to show you guys what the product looks like.
I really felt a genuine connection between us. Yeah, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
The very first thing I love about this product is the color red, and you guys should come for me because my favorite color is red. My favorite drink is red wine, and what else? And when I saw that the color of the product was red, a peeling solution that comes in red, I mean, that's not common, so it intrigued me and I wanted to try it out. So I'm just going to explain to you guys a little bit of the product before I okay, for those of us that don't know what that acronym means, AHA means alpha hydroxy acids and BHA means beta hydroxy acids. And this solution has 4 different types of hydraulic acids, and that's the glycolic, lactic, citric, and I think tartaric, if that's what it's called. And these 4 hydroxy acids combine together to give this product what it does, or rather what they say it does, which is the ability to brighten and soften and smoothen your skin by removing dead cells from your skin, effectively reducing UV rays, burns, sunburns, hyperpigmentation of your skin, and also reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I'm gonna experiment all this, don't worry. I'm gonna see if it does all this, okay? So, and then the beta hydroxy acid contains salicylic acid, and my acne prone skin sisters like me, we all know that salicylic acid is probably what every dermatologist would prescribe for us for our acne, and this solution has it diluted in the alpha hydroxy acid in 2%, which is a considerable amount of beta hydroxy acid. So another ingredient that is contained in this solution that I feel like is worth mentioning is the Tasmanian pepperberry, and it's an ingredient that helps to reduce the redness and irritation that this amount of acid will probably cause on your skin, because this is 32%, 30 AHA and 2% beta hydroxy, and that's 32%. If you're a newbie to acids, or if you're a newbie to acid generally, I would suggest that you go for the lesser alpha hydroxy acid, that's the glycolic, on its own first before you build up your skin sensitivity to this cocktail together. But if you're OG like me and you've been using a lot of things on your skin and your skin can handle anything, go ahead, baby girl, baby boy, go ahead. So I'm going to use this for a month. I'm going to show you guys every day as I use it, and I'm also going to show you guys how I used it and show you my results at the end of a month, and we'll see. Okay, let's get into it. So this is what my skin looks like before I started this regimen. As you can see, I have hyperpigmentation from old acne scars, and I also still have some acne both on my cheeks and on my forehead, and this isn't like periodic acne that would come and go after some time. This is how my face is or has been for the longest with my current skincare routine. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what my canvas was like. Oh, are you a subscriber though? Because if you're not a subscriber, I don't know why you're on my channel. I don't know, like, why don't you just subscribe? There's no money attached to it. Okay, let me show you guys now. So moving on, this is what the peeling solution looks like. It's red in color, it stains off red, and I'm going to be steaming my face to start off this application, and this part is sincerely optional. I was just being an oversabi by steaming my face. I just wanted to make sure that the solution gets right into my skin to do its work, but this is super optional. The solution will still do its work regardless of if you steam your face or not. So as you can see, my skin is really sensitive, so my skin really turned red after that steam, but don't worry, it's going to get back to normal after it dries off. As you can see, my skin is back to normal here, and because I had already put some pressure on it, I'm not going to clean my face with a towel or anything. I'm drying it off with a fan to reduce the amount of pressure that I put on my face. So now I'm going to start dropping my vampire peeling solution on my face. This application method is absolutely wrong, guys. Your stopper shouldn't be touching your face, because if you have some bacteria on your face, it's going to contaminate the stopper, and you're going to put it back into the bottle, and it probably would contaminate the whole product. So please do not do this the way I just did it. I'll probably correct myself on the 4th week. You guys will see the proper way to do it. I was stupid throughout. I made a lot of mistakes. You guys will see, don't worry. But yeah, I am making sure that I coat all of my face with the product, avoiding your eye areas, but also not forgetting your neck, because you don't want your face to be bright and your neck to be dark, because you would want the both of them to have the same consistency. And like I said, avoid your eye area. I made that mistake in week 2. You guys are going to see what it cost me. Okay, so you're going to wait for 10 minutes before you wash this peeling solution off. I don't even know why it's called a peeling solution, because you're meant to wash it off, you don't peel it off. So guys, please do not wait for more than 10 minutes, because this is an acid. The more you leave it on your skin, the more layers of your skin that it takes out. So the company says 10 minutes, and I'm going to stick with 10 minutes. Okay, so I washed it off camera, and this is what my skin looks like right out of the shower. So now I'm going to moisturize my face with my Clinique face moisturizer, which is the gel hydrant. This is for oily skin. I'm going to apply it all over my face, not forgetting my eye area, my neck, everywhere. And then guys, this is a very important information. This peeling solution will make your skin super sensitive to the sun. If you do not have a very active sun protection cream, you need to get one before you buy this. Like, you need to buy the SPF first before you buy this peeling solution, because the two cannot work without each other. Okay, as you can see, I'm going crazy on my SPF, because I do not want a situation whereby my skin burnt because of something I'm trying out. So I overcoated my face with sun protection, and then that's it. Voila, that's it for the night. So for week 1, I kept my regimen really simple, and my skin thanked me for it. It was clear, I had no irritation, I had, it was just all right. And then week 2, I went crazy. I did a lot of things wrong. I'm going to show you guys, or rather tell you guys, what I did wrong and right. So first of all, within the week, I ordered the ordinary niacinamide, and I added it to my regimen. So after this whole process, before putting my sun protection, I used the niacinamide, and that was where everything went wrong. And also, as you can see in this video, I put the peeling solution mistakenly on my eye area. Can you see that? Can you see that? My skin burns for this mistake. Guys, when you're applying this, please be careful to avoid the areas around your eyes, because it's gonna burn. It's even written on the company even writes it on the bottle that you should avoid your eye areas. So watch. So I waited for 10 minutes on the dot, and then I went to wash my face off. And then when I was done, look, my skin burnt. My skin was just terrible the second week. Like, the peeling solution did not work in my opinion. It's because the result I got the first night after the first week, I did not get it on the second week, so I knew that I messed up, probably from the soap that I used to wash my face before using, or because I added the niacinamide. I don't know what it was, but week 2 was a fail. So week 3, week three, it was as if my stupidity doubled. In week 3, I did everything wrong, starting from the soap that I used this acne kojic soap, that's for acne pro skin, which you shouldn't use, because you should use a gentle facial cleanser if you want to get the most out of this peeling solution. And then the way I applied it, like with reckless abandon, I wasn't even watching, and I was putting the stopper on my face, which I had already told you guys was wrong. And also, I'm doing this on the 4th day instead of on the 6th day, because I do this once every 6 days. That's once a week, which is what the company prescribed, once or twice a week. But for beginning, definitely once a week. Now watch. My skin burnt. My skin was horrible. My skin was more textured than it would normally be. It was just, guys, I had to order the hyaluronic. I believe I pronounced that correctly, because it had this kind of soothing effect. So I used it on this night after all my stupidity, and it seemed to had worked. It calmed my face, it soothed my inflamed face. And the truth about this thing is, it's probably going to look like this, especially if you do it wrong on that day or night. And guys, please do this in the night. I wouldn't even advise you to do it in the daytime, because of how sensitive your skin gets to the sun after using this product. So definitely use it at night to wake up to a glowy skin in the morning. Guys, it might seem as if I'm not getting results, but wait till you see the end of this video and see what my skin looks like now, because it does definitely work. I was just doing it wrong. So I'm just showing you guys everything I did wrong, so that you don't do the same mistakes, or rather you don't make the same mistakes that I made. Okay, make better choices, guys, please. So yeah, I used the hyaluronic acid, and afterwards followed up with my SPF, and yeah, and I went to sleep, and I woke up the next morning and my skin was surprisingly popping. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what my skin looked like the next morning. The picture on the left, yeah, my skin is super sensitive, but it's also tough. It's able to take anything that I do to it, thanks to God. Anyways, week 4, this was the week that I did everything right. Listen, this camera that I'm using right now, it's not even doing justice to how good my skin is looking. I haven't gotten the hang of the lighting settings and the camera settings, but I made a clearer video with my phone. I'm going to post that video at the end of this video for you guys to see in HD what my skin looks like right now. So besides the regular monthly visitors that I get regardless of what I do, my skin cleared up, and I had this permanent glow that I never used to have. Okay, so guys, this is the proper way to apply your peeling solution. Put some drops on your fingertips and then apply to your face. Do not put directly on your face, or you can put directly on your face, but be careful not to, for the stopper not to touch your face. So as you can see in this video, I'm putting the product on my fingertips first before generously applying on my face. Remembering to avoid the eye areas, and also not forgetting to apply some of the products on your neck too. So this is what my skin looks like week 4 after I did everything right. So guys, I'm just going to run through the step-by-step process of the correct way to do this. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser thoroughly. Apply the solution with your fingertips, not directly on your face. Afterwards, use a moisturizer, and then use SPF. And remember, just once a week for beginners. So guys, this is the end of the 4 weeks trial that I did, and in my honest opinion, I don't feel like it's a miracle worker. I like it and I will continue to use it, because at the end of the 2nd week I started to see a drastic change. For real, my blemishes were a lot more diminished, and I'm gonna put a picture, because I took a picture after the 2nd week to show you guys what my skin was looking like. This is what my skin looks like right now. I don't know if this thing is focused enough. I mean, my forehead definitely is clear, and before I started using this product I had a little bit of acne on my forehead, and since I started using it and the acne cleared in the 1st week, it didn't come back. It never came back. My forehead was clear all through, even though I got some visitors, you know, it's that time of the month and they always have to come. No matter what I do, they always have to come. So I got some visitors here and 2 here, but on this side I never got any visitor, which is weird, because if you guys can see, I had 2 blemishes from the last pimple I had, but I never got any other pimple on this side of my face throughout the 1 month that I have been using this product. So in general, I like it. Will I continue to use it? Of course. And it gives you this what's it called? It gives you this like I just had a facelift in the morning when I wake up. I don't know if I ever made a video. I'll look for it. If I did, I'll definitely post the video somewhere for you guys to see. I had to use my phone to do this video for you guys because my camera be acting up sometimes. It never gets my skin the way it is, probably because of lightning or whatever. But I had to come out to my kitchen and use my phone and show you guys what my skin literally looks like. This is what my skin looks like. There's absolutely nothing on my face. This is the effect I was telling you guys about, like when I just wake up. This is how my face looks like. It's crazy. It's crazy. My face is super clear, as you can see. So the way my face looks like in the camera is definitely not what my skin looks like. This is what my skin looks like. I'm using my phone in this is 11 o'clock, so I don't even think there's so much sunlight. There's literally no sunlight, so it's not like the sunlight is adding to this glow or whatever. This is the secret, okay? So my honest opinion, I definitely like it. I'll continue to use it, and I encourage you to use it and let me know what your result is. And if you had already used this, let me know in the comment section. Did it work for you? How long did you use it? And if you eventually do use it, please let me know your feedback. Let's discuss. Okay, thank you. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd urge you to click the thumbs up button and leave me a comment. And of course, if you're not subscribed, okay, I'm just gonna be nice and say please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. These are other videos that you might enjoy, so watch